Well, can you tell us a little bit about that? Like, what's it like there?
It's a beautiful place. Uh, I grew up in a tiny village. It was a really special place. Things got bad towards the end, but I still have a lot of good memories when I was a kid. And the food! The food is so good.
I'll bet. Who cooked the food in your home?
My mother. She's not with me now.
Oh, I'm so sorry. What happened to your mother?
Well, we crossed the border together. She's been in jail since.
Okay, where's she being held?
Somewhere in Pennsylvania. I don't like to talk about it.
I'm so sorry. I know it's difficult. Thank you for sharing that with us.
Well, we have a ton of other things to talk about. We actually prepared a little agenda for you to try to make sure that we get through everything that we had hoped to talk with you about today. Maybe if there is anything that you want to tell us or anything that's on your mind that's worrying you.
Well, yeah. My younger sisters are still in Honduras. They're still in school, and they really need money. Well, I live with my uncle. My mother is still in jail. I have to be the one that sends them money.
I can imagine. That must be pretty difficult.
And I don't know if I can work in this country without my papers in order.
That's actually a great question. A tricky question and very complicated. Let's see. I mean, you're 18, right? Oh, well, you can definitely work. And he's an asylum seeker, so you can definitely work legally. I mean, that shouldn't be a big problem.
Well, hang on a second, actually. I think I remember something where when you're seeking asylum, there's a period of time after you apply where you actually can't work.
Yeah, I think they told me I have to wait 6 months before I can apply for a permit.
Right, 180 days.
I can't wait that long. What happens if I start working without the permit?
Well, honestly, dude, everybody here works without a permit.
But we don't want you to have any issues with your legal case. So how about we speak with our professors about it, and then we'll have an answer for you next time we meet.
Okay, thank you, but can I ask the lawyer in my situation what I should do about it? What do you think, Max?
Well, if I were you, I'd work.
Well, I think we'll actually need to speak with our professors about it. And just to clarify things, both Max and I are law students, and we work with a really awesome team of lawyers, our professors. We're actually going to need to speak with them, get their advice, so that when we meet with you next time, we can give you a full answer, okay?
It's probably a better idea.
I forgot. I was supposed to ask if I could record this. Like I said, we're law students, so being able to record would help us to remember things later. It would help us to focus so we're not looking down, taking notes the entire time.
Yeah, totally. Victor, is it okay with you if I have my laptop up? It's easier for me while we're talking if I can type,
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, great. I'll start recording.
Okay. All right, great. So, unless you have any more questions, great. We'll get back to our agenda. So, we can see here that you were planning, we got to know you, we looked at your the documents that you brought with you, we definitely want to take a look at those. We'll get talking about the asylum process and basically about what happened to you in Honduras. Sound good?
Yes, they did give me these when I got out of detention.
Cool. Great. Make a copy of these right now, and we'll go over the details later. Lisa, if you wouldn't mind.
Well, actually, Max, if you wouldn't mind, could you make the copies, please? I did all of those documents before. Plus, it will give me an opportunity to sit and chat with Victor and get to know him a little bit better. Thanks.
Sure. Great.
So, Victor, tell me a little bit more about Honduras.